If you've been wanting to start a home garden but don't know where to begin, here are some tips. First, start composting now. It's one of the best things you can do for the health of your future soil and plants, and it's so easy and makes the most beautiful, rich soil. Next, think about what you eat or what you cook with, as well as what grows in the climate that you live in. Speaking of climate, know your gardening zone. There are 13 plant hardiness zones in the US, so that'll help you figure out what plants will succeed. Invest in some gardening basics like shovels, gloves, soil, and pots or planter beds if you're not planting directly in the ground. If you're new to gardening, start small. Herbs are pretty easy. Plant some flowers. Not only are they so beautiful and bring so much joy, they attract pollinators, a necessary element to produce fruit. Water. I know this is obvious, but it's just about the single most important thing you can do to have a thriving garden. If you don't, everything will die. Lastly, be patient and enjoy the process. Gardening takes time, love, and often failure to get results. Use your gardening time to be in the present and enjoy the therapeutic benefits that gardening provides.